The Sukhoi Superjet and the Embraer E190 are both regional aircraft designed to serve short to medium-haul routes efficiently. Manufactured by Russia's Sukhoi Civil Aircraft Company and Brazil's Embraer, respectively, these aircraft offer similar capacities and performance characteristics. The Sj100, introduced in 2011, features modern aerodynamics and advanced avionics, including a fly-by-wire system. The E190, part of Embraer's E-Jet family, has been in service since 2005 and is known for its reliability and operational efficiency. In this comparison, we will examine key aspects, such as dimensions, seating capacity, performance, and operational costs, to provide a comprehensive overview of these two aircraft. The Sj100 measures 29.94 meters, 98 feet in length, while the E190 is longer at 36.25 meters, 118 feet. The Sj100 has a wingspan of 27.80 meters, 91 feet, slightly narrower than the E190's 28.73 meters, 94 feet. The Sj100 is powered by two turbofan SAM 1461S18 engines, each providing 71.6 kN of thrust. In contrast, the E190 is equipped with two General Electric CF3410E turbofan engines, each delivering 89 kN of thrust. The Sj100 has maximum takeoff weight of 49,450 kilograms, 109,020 pounds, while the E190's maximum takeoff weight is higher at 51,800 kilograms, 114,199 pounds. The Sj100 offers a range of approximately 3,048 kilometers, 1,646 nautical miles, whereas the E190 has a longer range of about 4,537 kilometers, 2,450 nautical miles. In terms of cost, the Sj100 has a list price of approximately $35.4 million, while the E190 is priced at around $51 million. This makes the Sj100 a more affordable option for airlines looking to expand their regional fleets. Sukhoi claims that the Sj100's direct operating costs are 6 to 8% lower than those of the E190 or 195, attributing this to its fuel efficiency and maintenance advantages. It features a spacious cabin with modern amenities and ergonomic seating arrangements to enhance passenger comfort. During its first flight, the Sj100 reached altitudes of up to 3,000 meters and speeds of 343 kilometers per hour. The Embraer E190 are extended versions of the E170 and E175 models, featuring a larger wing, an increased horizontal stabilizer, 2 additional emergency overwing exits, and upgraded engines. Russia is preparing to test a domestically developed autopilot and auto-thrust system for the Sukhoi Sj100. The new autopilot and auto-thrust system recently underwent successful preliminary testing on the electronic bird ground rig. The Sj100, capable of seating around 100 passengers and reaching speeds up to Mach 0.5, is positioned to compete with established regional jets from Bombardier and Embraer. Recently, E190 E2 has received type certification from Transport Canada Civil Aviation. Following certification from ANAC, the FAA, and EASA in 2019 and 2018 respectively. The E190-E2's takeoff performance is particularly notable. The aircraft's range from airports with hot and high conditions, such as Denver and Mexico City, increases by 600 nanometers compared to current generation aircraft. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts about both aircraft in the comments section. Hey there! Are you pursuing aviation studies and struggling with aviation subjects? Don't worry. At Jetline Marvel, we bring over 10 years of experience in the aviation industry. We've crafted an amazing textbook, packed with valuable content tailored to your graduation requirements and aligned with Bangalore University's curriculum. Check out our book on Amazon and order your copy today.